Hello, it's Sunday, October 5th. What have you been up to?
Working on stuff.
Well, I know that. I've been working on stuff too. Except mine's just not been in the camper. It's been weeding and pulling up pavers so that we can get a sidewalk coming up to the camper, even though it's a trip hazard right now because I didn't finish it because I didn't have enough of them. But anyway. What have you been doing?
Still working on the bed, but finally got the loading tray in for the second bed. So this isn't the second bed, but it's the side of the second bed.
Nice.
Where it's folded up, it'll just slide right in there.
And then we have a little bit of space underneath for storage.
Still clearance here. There's enough clearance for the whole thing to go in. Holds nice, doesn't fall whenever it moves around a little bit, but there's still enough room to push it in.
And if you had to ratchet strap, you could.
Yeah.
Or clips or whatever.
You could do another 1x2 or something to shim something up.
But I think that's good. That's exciting.
That makes it nice there. And yeah, just this metal is so tough. It takes some time.
Doesn't like
without drill presses and everything else. So.
Well, and to do it in place too, that's tough.
And then you roll around in all the metal shavings. That's always fun.
That's nice. Yeah. Well, at least you didn't pressure wash your toe.
Yeah. No, I didn't do that.
That's also the other thing that I've been up to. Pressure washing the driveway, and my little piggy went to wee all the way home.
I don't know how it got in the way. It's so small anyway.
I know. But it didn't cut it off, thankfully.
No.
Yeah, so, and I've been bringing you things to possibly build the front of the camper, and I brought you a frame that I think is going to work nice.
Yeah, I think that'll work out really good.
And we'll be using the bamboo-ish grid kind of stuff. Kind of Bombay-ish. That'll go on both sides, and then the door with the frame around it will go in the center. And yay! Right? Is that going to be good?
I think so. It's definitely taken shape and got a nice aesthetic to it, I think. I think it's going to look really cool.
I think so, too. I'm excited. I just need to get that cushion and sew a little tiny bed skirt that's going to cover that.
This transition.
Yeah. I just need to figure out how long that needs to be. But yeah, it's going to be the showpiece, I think. I think this section, this living quarter section, is really going to be the showpiece of the camper, even though it's made out of junk. It is. But it's our junk. Well, it was once we picked it up off the curb. Always an adventure?
Always an adventure.
Always.
Always.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.